They are crowning Ziyambi, the Justice Minister, the very custodian of constitutional impartiality, as the best cabinet performer. And for what? For leading the charge to entrench one man in power beyond the constitutional limits set by the people of the Republic. I have lived long enough to recognize this script. Africa has seen it before. The Congo lived it and bled for it. Zanapenda mashukuru ya pangu aina chidismisa Ziyambi pamsoro aiwa pe the crowning yakaitiwa yakunzi is the best cabinet performer and was subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Retired General Winston Gaukema Branga Mdanyira Chiti, cast your mind back to Mutobutu Seko before the dictator was fully enthroned, before the terror became impossible to ignore. They were men in suits, ministers, party functionaries, legal craftsmen who were celebrated, rewarded, and elevated for doing exactly what Ziyambi is doing today. They bent their offices, they twisted their professional mandates, they clothed naked ambition in the language of patriotism and constitutional process. They were the front runners of the Mobutu's Prominence project, and history did not forget them. History did not forgive them. The Congolese people certainly did not. The Justice Minister of any sovereign republic holds a sacred trust. His office is not a partisan instrument. It is not a campaign headquarters. It is not a prize to be deployed in the service of the single man's political survival. The moment a justice minister becomes the most enthusiastic foot soldier of a life president's project, he has ceased to be a minister of justice. He has become a minister of manipulation. What Ziyambi has done and what those who celebrate him are applauding is a betrayal of the office, a betrayal of the constitution, and a betrayal of every Zimbabwean who believed that 2017 marked a genuine rupture from the politics of perpetual incumbency. Congolese history does not belong only to the Congo. It belongs to every African nation that refuses to learn from it. We are watching, we remember, and we will not be silent. Thomas Wamdai Tokopanapa na Lieutenant General Sigauge Mabranga. Pinako message of Gura Emote Kudipam Serbichit page. So subscribe or like, punch it on, turn on the bell icon.